time or another, you've experienced poor braking before. Either a total loss of braking system, brake pads squealing, a jittering, and the brakes itself pulling harder to one side than the other. That's normal. However, take that as a sign as it is time to check and change your brakes. Every day, tens of people die from brake failure. When was the last time you checked your brakes? Hello, I'm Casey Wright from Out Motorsports. You may remember me from such famous films as Honey, I Shrunk the Kids and Home Alone 3. I'm here with a PSA to teach you and remind you to check your brakes regularly so that you may avoid danger. What I have done is I've raised the vehicle into a height in which the front wheel, the one I'm checking the brakes on, is now raised off of the ground, and I may safely remove this wheel. Now what I have here is an automatic assault ratchet. Not legal in the state of California, however, it is legal here in the state of Georgia. Watch as I remove this wheel. I've lost one nut. I've lost two nuts. I have one nut. Now that all the nuts have run away from the wheel safely, we can progress. What you are observing is a rotor that is grabbing and letting go. What you have here is a warped rotor, which is very common with low quality replacement brake parts. I assure you, I only use low quality replacement brake parts, but you can be better than me. And this is exactly why you want to check your brakes regularly. While this wasn't squeaking or making any noise or even giving any sort of large indication that my brakes were on the way out, which as you can see, they were on their way out, always check them routinely, because this could be the difference between life and death. Thank you very much for tuning in to our public service announcement. In the future, if you would like to find any more content in regarding public safety, automotive-wise, please hit us up. Or if you have any other suggestions of what you would like to see, please let us know in the comments down below, and we'll get back with you soon enough. In the meantime, I'll see you later.